Hey, I'm Dr. Gardner, and today I wanted to put together a pet first aid kit from our local pharmacy. The first ingredient is hydrocortisone cream, which is excellent for minor irritations and rashes. Having self-adhesive wrap is very useful when wrapping legs especially. And exam gloves help us to keep everything clean. Cold packs are fantastic to have on hand for swellings. Just make sure they don't eat them. Witch hazel is a very gentle antiseptic and is good for wound cleaning. Nonstick pads are very helpful because they are more comfortable, especially when you go to change the bandage. Bandage scissors are excellent for removing excess hair and of course for changing bandage. Roll bandage is great because it's easier for getting around a whole limb. Gauze pads are helpful both for under the roll bandage and also for cleaning. Saline wound flush is fantastic for getting wounds extra clean. Just make sure that it is saline only with no added ingredients, but gets wounds very, very clean and is always great to do before you apply anything else. Hydrogen peroxide is excellent. It removes blood stains from surrounding fur and can also be used to induce vomiting, but that must be under the direction of a veterinarian. Liquid bandage spray is also useful for small wounds. Heba Cleanse is it's chlorhexidine and it helps keep wounds very, very clean. Here I drop a whole bunch of Neosporin. Make sure you get the Neosporin with no added ingredients, but this is an excellent antibiotic ointment that you can put on minor wounds. Cotton balls, great to have on hand for cleaning out ears and other small things. Petroleum jelly is helpful to stick my thermometer in before I put it into their butt. Sanitary napkins, as many of you know, can also act as a great adhesive bandage when needed. Benadryl is great for insect bites or for any type of allergic reaction or hives. Just make sure it's not the liquid and doesn't have any added ingredients. Honey, I prefer Manuka honey, but it is great for low blood sugar and actually can also be used topically in wounds. Heating pads can be very comforting, but you have to be careful because they can get burned. Stethoscope can be wonderful to have on hand, especially if you know your dog's heart rate. And when you take their temperature, please do not use ear thermometers in dogs. You must use a rectal thermometer. A digital one will do great. I found this cute frog one, which I had to have. And then KY jelly can be very kind to use on the tip of the thermometer. And then water wipes are great to have to clean the thermometer off and to clean off other various parts. So these are the things that I would recommend that you have on hand for your dog and your first aid kit. It's important to remember that if there's any deep wounds or chronic problems or any type of consistent problem, you should always check in with your veterinarian. I hope that you will like and subscribe. I hope this is helpful to you, and I will see you next time.